I love the company because my role here is really diverse. It's not a traditional construction quantity surveyor. It's a much more multifaceted role in terms of the volume and types of projects that you get to work on here, from very small to quite significant. I am a local Ayrshire person, so love the fact that I get to work in Ayrshire again. I work on so many different projects that no day is the same as the last. This morning, for example, I've had a client meeting. Before that, I had an internal meeting with the design team just to kind of discuss the project before we went into the client meeting. After that, I've then done a valuation for payment to the same client, and I've produced what we call a project change note, which is effectively a change in the scope of the project from the point where we got the contract to where we are now. Something new, you know, since I came to Booth Welsh is very much the race to net zero. It's built into legislation now, so we are trying to very much be at the forefront of that, not only for ourselves but for our clients and our suppliers. It feels really good to be part of the start of it. I've always been used to, you put a price in for a project and the most important thing is the cost to the client. However, going forward in the future, in order for us to win projects effectively, we need to be able to display that we've got carbon accounts in place. You need to have a huge skill base. You have to be able to talk to people. You have to be able to read contracts. You have to be able to work with numbers. So it's not just I'm good at maths, so I can be a QS. It's a very multifaceted role, but it's really rewarding, and it's nice to see a project from the start to completion and think, well, I was involved in that, and you know, now I can see that fabulous building. You know, so it's really good.